Like and subscribe, and ring the bell to join us for more adventures.
Timo stands at the edge of a dark forest path. The trees ahead look tall and mysterious. He feels unsure, but also excited to keep going. An important word becomes useful. Venture. Venture means to go somewhere brave or unfamiliar. Timo takes a careful step onto the path. He keeps walking deeper into the forest. Sunlight shines through the trees ahead. Timo reaches a beautiful clearing. Timo remembers that to venture means to go forward bravely. He learns that courage can lead to wonderful discoveries.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, and to build the skills you need for exam success, visit vocabcartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.